See where that truck just turned there? We're going to keep going around that corner.
Okay.
Nice little area here.
Yeah, nice houses.
Yeah. Okay, anywhere along here we'll park the vehicle.
Can't park in front of a driveway, right?
No.
Is this a good spot?
Sure. Yeah, that looks good. Your whole car can fit between, so that's good. Okay.
I don't know if I probably need to go in a bit more.
No, this is good.
Is it good?
Yeah, this is good. I would leave my car and go. I'd feel safe going to visit someone here. You're parking your vehicle here, no problem.
So, let me turn the signal off.
Yeah.
Park. Parking brake activated.
Okay. That's all there is to it. Right on. Okay, let's take off.
Got it. Straight. Yeah.
That's step one.
Ready to go.
Step two.
Yep.
Step three. So there's a logical sequence to pulling away from the curb. And I'll explain that there next time we pull over. So we're just gonna keep going up the hill here. It's a little cul-de-sac. Little cul-de-sac here. We're just gonna turn it around. Just come back down the hill.
Just one turn.
Yeah. You just kind of follow the side of the road here. Looking over your left shoulder.
Make sure there's no one there.
Yeah. Around the corner, and we're gonna pull over safely to the right side of the road by the pole. Right pole, yeah. Got it. The light post.
We're on right now. Bump. About there.
Excellent. Okay, listen to this. You hear that whir?
Yeah.
Okay, listen to this. Hear that?
What is
So they're clamps. They just kind of grab the brakes, whatever, the parking brake. And when you hear that noise, you can use that to trigger you to remember to do this. Engage
Okay.
parking brake.
Oh, I didn't do it.
No.
Oh my god.